What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here at Goodwill with Kristen. Hey, what are you doing? And we're gonna go inside, hope that we find stuff. Now, I get no service at this Goodwill at all, so it's just gonna be off the top of my head, which kind of stinks, but it's all right. Hopefully we'll find some awesome things in here. We are at the Avon, Connecticut location, and it's actually pretty nice out today, surprisingly. I thought it was gonna be colder. Didn't you think it was gonna be colder? All right, CDs, DVDs, video games. Let's see if we find any. Now, normally I would sit here and scan all of these, but I have zero service in here, so I can't even look up the CDs. This is the typical sports game selection that you see at pretty much every thrift store. Nothing rare. We gotta leave them all. Actually, looking through the sports games, I noticed Madden 11, which is one of the last ones they made. I think they made up to Madden 12, so this one actually has some value to it. They only want $2, and you can see it's going for about 20 with, oh, I'm running low on battery, with a decent rank, just over 6,000, just under 7,000. 20 bucks, not bad, and it is complete in here. Look at that, for $2, that is a steal of a deal. Stick that in there. I don't see anything else video game related, so we'll leave this section. What we have here, GoPro 7 Steps to Becoming a Network Marketing Professional, $2. That's actually interesting. We're gonna scan this in, see if it's worth anything. And now I can't sell DVDs on Amazon, but it'll still let me know if it's worth anything. Oh, it's underneath the CDs for some reason. Oh, it's an audiobook. That would make $3.07. Oh, it's underneath books, so that's a really good rank. But there's no FBA offers, so I would actually price it at like $11.63 and probably make $5, and they're $2 each, so I'd make $3 on each one of them. So it's 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. It's $15 right there. That's not bad, guys. We'll snag that. Good thing I decided to scan it. I was just curious. Then we got some Sony tapes here. They want $1 each, but they're used, which is interesting. Used VHS tapes. I wonder what's on them. All right. Seeing if there's any more of those. Aha. Another. Now we're at 15, 16, 17, $18. And I think that's the last one. Yes, it is. Yo, guys, found R. Kelly Trapped in a Closet, chapters 1 through 22 for $1. It's not really focusing, but still, for $1.
The big package.
The big package. There's only one DVD in here, but that's all you need. That's all you need to get the job done, guys. Pretty sweet. I'm grabbing this. Why not? That's for us to watch at home, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Oh, yeah.
I don't see anything else cool, but you never know. What is this? Oh, it's 24 the show. All right. So somebody in my comments was telling me that I need to scan books. Well, I hardly have service, but I was able to pull up this book. I actually scanned it. It looked really interesting. It's $1. It's going for $14.49, so I'll make $4.81 on it. So I hope you're happy I scanned a book, but I'm still gonna look around and see if I see any other books in here that look worth it to me. Like, what is this? Area Prene? It's $3. What is this? AP? I don't even know what this is. Let's see. It's just samples of colors. Alright, so as I look at this, what are the kind of things I should scan? Should I just scan the entire shelf? I can't do it here because of the service, but is that what you guys do when you scan books? I do have a Bluetooth scanner, I just don't know where it is. This is kind of interesting. Black Art of 3D Game Programming. That's kind of interesting. I will try to scan that. How much is it? It's $4, but still, I feel like it's unique. It was originally $50, guys. Holy moly. Here it is. New, it's going for 157. Used, it's going for 13 with no prime sellers. Not a horrible rank. Let's see if one person's just undercutting everybody. Nope, everybody's starting at 12. So, I mean, I feel like if I came in at like 25 bucks, I could probably sell it. Maybe. I think I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna spend. What would you guys do? Would you guys pick this up for 4 bucks? What do we have? The Psychology of Women. Ooh, let me scan it. Flip it over for me.
This looks dumb.
Well, a woman wrote it. So, call her dumb.
Still dumb.
Horrible rank. Not worth anything. Alright.
As a woman wrote it.
Official handbook of Yu-Gi-Oh! Ooh, I gotta scan that. I remember Yu-Gi-Oh! Back in the day. I don't reek.
Put way too much cologne on, it's burning my nose.
I put a lot of cologne on because this shirt was sitting in a garage and I thought it would smell bad, but I don't.
You made it worse.
I think I made it worse. It's alright, I don't care.
You're like, I don't care, just get away from me.
Just leave. What do we have up here? Oh, some records. I still have a lot of records I need to list, so I won't grab them. Oh, Lemony Snicket. Alright, I don't know. I'm gonna leave that here, but I'm curious what you guys would do, if you would grab it or not. Here we go, guys, looking through all the toys over here, and I found a brand new sealed sports CNET. These usually aren't worth much. It's $4, but you could see right here that it is actually going for a little bit of money if it'll load. I think it was going for $22.95, which, hey, that's not bad. Let's see if I actually go back. Oh no, that was something else I scanned over there. Horrible rank, 1.2 million. It says I have 3 bars in here, but that's a lie. Nothing's loading. Alright guys, I'm finding a whole bunch of stuff. We got a Monopoly Here and Now set for $2. It's super clean inside. It's only going for 20, but we could play it, and if I want to sell it, I'd still make about 10 bucks after fees. And then look at this, guys. It's a South Park set. I saw another one down there somewhere. Oh, sorry. I saw another one down there somewhere, but South Park, Cartman, Kyle, and Mr. Garrison. It's 12 bucks though, but this is really freaking cool, and you build it. I saw another one. Where is it? Thought it was over here. Oh yeah, there it is. It's the same one. I don't know, maybe I should scan it. Alright, this is the electronics section. Now this is really where I have no service at all. Got a VCR right there for $5. I think I've sold this exact one before. Pencil sharpener, Soda Stream. It's not bad. George Foreman grill. Got lots of different stuff over here. A Sony alarm clock, Panasonic VCR, Sony DVD player. Oh my gosh, this controller is kind of beat, and it's $11. That's crazy. 11 bucks. Way too much. If it was $2 or $3, I might grab it. So I'm over here looking at some random stuff, and I see this Bessler. I had no idea what it was, so I wanted to come take a look at it. Look at the price, guys. Look at that price. That is insane. $600 for this thing. I wonder how much it's actually worth. Who's coming to Goodwill to drop 600 bucks on a machine that might not even work, that they don't offer returns on? That's just insane to me. Alright guys, we are back home right now, sitting at the desk. I want to go through everything in here, show you guys exactly what it is on the screen, what it goes for over on Amazon, and let's do it. So the first item you guys saw inside there is this giant ESPN Sports CNET. I only spent $4 on this, which not a bad deal. A lot of these CNETs don't go for much money, but some still do. This is going for, I believe it was $22. It should be up on the screen right now so you guys can see. Not a bad find at all. Next, this was the only book that I found. I did scan a few there. This is called Moonshot. It's really cool. It's like an illustrated story about the Apollo 11. Very clean, very good condition. Now, green tags were 50% off. So this originally was $2. So I only got it for $1. Definitely a great find there for $1. Not going to make a lot of money on it, but it's still money. Very easy to ship, very thin, and it's not going to take up a lot of space in the bag. Or in the box, not the bag. Next, we got a whole bunch of these. I thought they were DVDs at first, but they're actually CD, like books, sort of, just in a DVD case. And they were $2 each. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, So I got 6 of these things. I forgot what I'm going to get profit-wise on them. I believe it's $3 profit. So we're looking at 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18 bucks. So almost $20. Very easy for me to ship them off. So what are we at right now? I believe like 23 plus, I think I'm going to make about 10 bucks on this. So we're at $33. Not too bad. Now, we also got this video game right here, Madden 11. So lots of sports titles aren't worth too much, but usually the last sports title for the console generation is worth some good money. So this is one of the last ones. You can see it's complete. Now that helps because collectors are really the only people buying these kind of games. Not too many people are looking for a sports game from 2011. But collectors will still be looking for it, so not bad, and it's great that it's complete. Now this was half off as well, so you could see that original price of $2, so I only paid $1. $1. Not bad at all. Definitely going to take that. I don't remember what the profit is, but it will be up on the screen. And the last item we got is this R. Kelly Trapped in a Closet DVD. This is hysterical, guys. If you've never seen this, this is so funny. R. Kelly's going through like a court case type thing right now for some horrible stuff he's done. But this video itself is really funny, so I recommend watching it if you just want to laugh because it's so ridiculous. And this was only $1, which is weird because all the DVDs in there were $2 to $3 besides this one, so I will take it, no problem there. And I believe that is it. So if we take a look at the receipt here, I spent a grand total of $20.19 after tax. I gave him 21 bucks and got 81 cents back. So really not bad at all. Now, it's not going to be a whole lot of profit. I mean, we're probably looking at around 40 bucks, maybe 50 bucks. So that's still pretty solid. I was only in there for about 15 minutes. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions. Subscribe if you haven't already. This is Thrift School signing out. See ya.